Hi, I am Balan Madhavan. I am a senior fellow with the International League of Conservation Photographers. I have been doing photography for the last 34 years. In the course of my career, I could say that I have covered almost all branches of photography. In addition to my passion, which is wildlife, nature, and conservation photography, I have also done a lot of commercial work. When I say commercial photography, it includes weddings, events, architecture, product photography, food photography, fashion photography, travel and leisure photography. Everything comes in my career as a professional photographer. Thankfully, because of my photography, I could travel to all 6 continents, including Antarctica. So what I am going to do here is to share my more than 3 decades of experience with you. In the course of these series of presentations that I am presenting before you, I'll be not just explaining the technical side, but also the philosophy behind each photograph. So, I welcome you to my show, and I hope you will become a better photographer by following my tutorials. With this series of classes or presentations or tutorials, whichever way you want to think about it, my purpose is to inspire you, because no classes in the world can ever make you a greater photographer, but a great photograph can always inspire you. If you get inspired, obviously you will find your own ways to learn photography and improve your photography. So that is the purpose of this series of tutorials. Welcome.